I love the ice cream thing though too, because Liv's a big ice cream fan. It's like I don't eat dairy, and then I'm like, if I can't have dairy, I don't want sorbet. Like, forget it. But that idea of just taking a couple bites and saying thank you, that was great, right?
Yeah.
Um, because I used to like I would take the tub and then I was like, oh, it's gone. Yeah, let me get it out of the house now, right?
Oh,
Might as well just eat it all now.
that's another one. Oh, I just can't have things in my house. Okay, so basically, like the ice cream then is more powerful than you are. Like
Yeah,
it's a
Yeah.
ridiculous narrative. And the reason why we put the spoon down isn't so that we can eat less. To like the brain is a muscle. It's a bunch of habits. It's to teach the brain I can put the fork down and say no.
yeah, yeah.
Right?
I
It's
love that.
powerful.
I love that.